My name is Simon Lichtenberg. I was born in Copenhagen, Denmark, and I came to China in 1987 to study Chinese at Fudan University. And in '93 I started a business here, running and manufacturing furniture. And today we have built this business to a bigger scale, and we are exporting about 1,000 containers of furniture every month, mainly to the US. We're specializing in leather furniture, so we are the 8th biggest leather furniture manufacturer in the world. I've been reading the documents from both the 20th Party Congress in October and also from the dual sessions in March this year. And one very important thing for me is further opening up. So it has been clearly established that opening up to the rest of the world is a fundamental policy of China, and that will continue to be done. And I know that there's been a lot of discussions about unfair competition between Chinese companies and foreign companies and so on, but I think that the playing field is being more and more level, and the central government is really trying to implement a fair and open policy for the whole world. So the second thing that I think was very important from both the Party Congress and dual sessions is high quality development. And I think first of all, it's high quality lives for the people. The party is trying its very best to create a stable and prosperous developed society in China. And high quality development is, in terms of businesses, is maybe around the value addition. In the past, development was more like a speed, fast development. Now it's more about high quality. So the value addition to products, the design, the development, more R&D, more product development, more value addition to products, making it higher quality creations out of China. The Chinese whole process democracy is a Chinese way of engaging in democracy and making people involved in the lawmaking and the ruling of the country. So I've personally been involved in the whole process democracy through my neighborhood committee, so where I live, and they invited me to participate in meetings with NPC, with the national lawmakers, with online meetings where we came up with points and suggestions for the corporate law, for the VAT law, for the financial stability law, and for the charity law. 4 laws I've been involved in, and they used some of our inputs, and that was a way that people were collected from all over the country to come with ideas and inputs to the lawmaking. And that is one part of the whole process democracy, and I think it works very well. Another thing that has been an important part of both the Congress and the dual sessions is a shared future for mankind. And I think China has done an outstanding job, first of all, in raising 600 million people in China out of poverty since the beginning of the Chinese opening up 40 years ago, and making the world a better place. Another part of a shared future for mankind is about climate change. And China has a lot of initiatives and plans and ways of fighting climate change, and also of sharing that knowledge and that initiatives with other countries. And we have established a Nordic Innovation Center for Sustainability in Shanghai. And that is to use the best technologies and experiences and for sustainable development from the Nordic countries to exchange and work with China. And this is one of the things that we're doing. And I think that is an important part of China and the Nordic countries together fighting climate change. Shanghai is my home, and I love my city. I love China as a country, and I hope that people will come and visit and see China with their own eyes. So come to China, come visit Shanghai, come visit my home.